Hey everyone, welcome back to Hobbies with Jose. I'm Jose Carbajal, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Bandai Super MiniPla Voltron model kit. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's great to have you here. We're at the start of a new journey today with our Voltron model kit, which is our third and final entry from our contest way back in the beginning of the year. So I'm excited to finally get started with this. Now, I've been a fan of Voltron since its original incarnation, but DreamWorks' recent show was really killer and I really enjoyed the updated design. I do hope Bandai gives us a model kit based on it, but the classic will always be a classic. So let's take a look and see what we've got here. The artwork that we get in the front of this box is really fantastic and just gorgeous to look at. It gives us a nice iconic pose of Voltron, and I'm also hopeful that we're able to recreate this with the model kit itself. And right on cue on the side of the box, we get some nice dynamic poses, which hopefully are a good representation of what we can expect. And right below that, we have some shots of the individual lions and some of the accessories and weapons that are included as well. And the other side of the box has a nice action shot of the lions too. And the top and bottom sides of the box have the same close-up shot of Voltron with the green lion giving us the iconic roar. Now let's crack this box open and see what we've got. And the first thing is going to be some packet of instructions. Let's take a look at these first. And this first packet has individual instructions for all 5 lions. Looks like they're all a single sheet and not terribly complicated. I know this kit does have quite a few stickers for many of the parts, but I'm hoping there's good color separation on the pieces since I plan on painting everything instead of using the stickers. And it also gives us the instructions on the transformation as well. And not surprisingly, the instructions for the red lion look even simpler since it's not that complex of a figure. One thing that did surprise me on the kit is that there's additional heads included, one for Voltron mode and one for lion mode. We're going to skip the green lions as it's about the same thing and go right over to the blue lion instructions. And just like with the lions that form the arms, the leg lions have additional heads too. And here we have the instructions for Voltron. Nothing terribly complicated here. And the back shows us how to put together the weapons and form the super weapon. Very nice. I'm not sure if these two runners are supposed to be pegged together. That's interesting. And looks like we have various mouth parts and caps for the legs. I'm thinking it's for the black lion. Not 100% sure though. We get some nicely molded paws here. And they have a nice coat of silver already painted on these too, but I'm going to end up stripping them. These smaller caps are unfortunately joined on the runner on a section that will need to be sanded down, and that's going to ruin the silver paint, so I do plan on redoing all of them. It's a nice little touch how different lions have different designs on these silver pieces too. And these look like the stickers for lion number 5, which I think for the most part I'm going to avoid using these and just paint as much as I could, although the number 5 itself will be extremely tricky to paint, so I might end up having to use that one. These look like various pieces for the weapons. There's some very nice molded detail in these. Yeah, these are going to look great once painted. Lion number 1 stickers. And they do look nice in this metallic-y material here. Again, I think I can pretty much get away with painting everything, probably except for the number 1. I almost wish they included a decal version of them, but it's better than nothing. Ginormous throwing star. Alright, here we have an interesting piece, the head of the black lion. And Voltron's face. It's gonna go something like that. And I'm surprised this is already painted, which the paint job looks pretty good too. You know me though, I'm gonna redo it. Since they painted that part though, I wonder why they didn't go ahead and just do the Black Lion's eyes, but you take what you can get. And here we have the parts for the iconic sword. That's gonna look great together. And this piece is already painted too. Not too bad. Green Lion stickers. 2 sets for each of the heads too. Very nice. Looks like various leg parts. I know these pieces end up becoming the heels of the feet too. And more nicely detailed weapon pieces. Very nice. Yellow pieces. Looks like it's for the Black Lion. We have the chest piece here, which I'm glad they separated these colors. That'll make things easier for us. More weapon pieces. More pieces for the Black Lion. These are going to be the red wings and part of the chest here. And more leg pieces. I'm assuming for the Black Lion too. I think that's where the head's going to sit. These are looking like Red Lion stickers. Definitely Yellow Lion parts. He's got half of the head here, the other half. And these are our Red Lion pieces. Half of the head, other half. Nice weapon bit here. And some more legs. These look like for the Black Lion. Nice weapon section here. More leg pieces, I'm assuming for the Black Lion too. Definitely more Black Lion pieces. Here's the other chest piece. The yellow one we saw before is going to go underneath it, so that's pretty good color separation there. And we should be able to paint in the sides on here too. Belt section might be a bit tricky, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. And the last bag in the box. I'm guessing these are Blue Lion stickers. Very good. More weapon pieces here. Excellent molding and detailing. And we get our Green Lion parts. Same paws and legs. Half of the head as well, other half. This looks like it's the back half of the other head. Very interesting. And here we have all of our Blue Lion bits. Once again, half of the head and the other half there. Heel for the foot. Weapon piece. And the main body unit. And the corresponding legs to go with it. And that's all that's included with this kit. And as with all of Bandai's kits, it screams quality. Very well made, very well molded. So I can't wait to put it together. Hope you can all join me next week as we get started on this new build. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Take care.